Can you Zelle someone who doesn't have Zelle? Let's break it down. Ever needed to send some cash to a friend, but they're not exactly tech-savvy? Maybe they're your grandma who still uses a flip phone, or a coworker who just avoids signing up for anything new. It happens. But in our fast-paced world, where digital payments reign supreme, what do? Can you use Zelle, a popular money transfer service, to send funds to someone who doesn't have it? Intrigued? Buckle up, because in this video, we're diving deep into the world of Zelle and exploring the nitty-gritty of sending money to those who might be a little Zelleverse-averse. Now, Zelle is all about convenience. It lets you send and receive money directly between bank accounts in the US, typically within minutes. But here's the catch. For this speedy transfer to happen, at least one person involved, either you the sender or the receiver, needs to have Zelle enabled through their bank or credit union. So, what happens if your recipient isn't on the Zelle bandwagon? Don't fret. There are a couple of ways this can play out, and we'll break them down for you. Scenario 1, your bank offers Zelle, but your friend doesn't. This is the most common situation. If your bank allows Zelle transfers, you have a couple of options. Give them a gentle nudge. Look, we all have our reasons for avoiding new things. Maybe your friend just hasn't gotten around to setting up Zelle yet. In this case, you can politely suggest they enroll. Most banks and credit unions offer a quick and easy sign-up process through their online banking platform or mobile app. Explore alternative sending methods. Zelle isn't the only game in town. Depending on your bank and your friend's comfort level, you might consider bank transfers. This classic method involves initiating a transfer from your bank account directly to your friends. It might take a business day or two to complete, but it's a reliable option. Cash App transfers. If both you and your friend have a Cash App like Venmo or Cash App, you can use those for peer-to-peer transfers. These often come with their own fees and limitations, so be sure to check the app's terms before proceeding. Scenario 2, neither you nor your friend have Zelle. Alright, so maybe you're both old school and prefer tried-and-true methods. Here are your options. Good old cash. There's nothing wrong with handing over some physical bills. It might not be the most convenient option, but it gets the job done, especially if you're meeting your friend in person. Checks. While checks might seem a little outdated, they're still a valid way to send money. Just be aware that it can take several days for the check to clear, so plan accordingly. Money orders. These prepaid instruments can be a good alternative to checks. You can purchase a money order at your bank or local grocery store, and your friend can cash it at their bank. Remember, friendliness is key. No matter which method you choose, clear communication is essential. Let your friend know how much you're sending and how they can expect to receive it. This avoids confusion and ensures a smooth transaction. Security matters. Be cautious when sending money online or through apps. Only use trusted platforms and be wary of unsolicited requests for money transfers. If something seems off, it probably is. With that said, thanks for watching. Until next time, stay safe and keep your financial dealings secure.